Hi, I'm Grace with Garmin Product Support. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the band on your vívosmart HR. To replace the bands on your vívosmart HR, you will need the vívosmart HR and the band replacement kit. The band replacement kit will come with the new bands, the Torx driver, and the new screws. This kit is not compatible with the vívosmart HR Plus. To begin, remove the screws from the old band. Remove any black caps from the module. This is what the module will look like when you are ready to install the new bands. If you do not see the notches on both ends of the module, verify that you have removed the black caps. You are now ready to install the new bands. Let's start with the button side. Snap the new buckle onto the module and install the new screws. Next, snap the buckle side of the new band onto the module and install the new screws. Tighten all 4 screws so that the bands are secure, but do not over-tighten because this can damage the watch. And that's it! You've replaced the bands on your vívosmart HR. Thanks for watching! For more help, go to support.garmin.com.